But I can suggest, I mean, there is no definite answer, but I can suggest. The fact is that the morning prayer has a preceding tahajjud prayer which is very long. Already, those who say tahajjud prayer are almost exhausted. And Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to lie down on one side for a while and rest. Then set 2 rakat of sunnah, but very lightly. The Sahaba say that it was the lightest of prayers that they had ever witnessed him saying. And then the morning prayer was just a light prayer, but not very light. The prayer itself was not very light, only the rakats were 2. Because there were some others as well who hadn't said tahajjud prayer and they wanted to start the day. So for them, the rakats in themselves were rather elongated in the sense that long surahs were recited in those rakats. But after, there was no sunnah. Nor was it permitted to say any sunnah or nafil between morning prayer and the sunrise, because that was in fact the time for the people to go out for work. And in the modern society, the timings are different. I mean, we can't say the modern society because everywhere the things are different. Still, the masses of people, the great majority of mankind, has a habit of rising early. Only the so-called modern people have changed their habits to rising late. So that still applies to the majority of mankind, that the morning time is also the work time. So after that they are made to go out. And in Asr prayer also the same philosophy seems to be working. Because after Asr, generally people go out for either walks or play, games, etc. So it is prohibited to say any sunnah or nafil between Asr and the sunset. And that time is also left free, so that people must go out and participate in other activities. And also Asr is very light. Although rakat in the number of rakat, it is twice as much as the morning prayer, but because there are no long recitations from the Holy Quran, and it's a quiet prayer, quietly said in heart, so the time is even less than what you spend in the morning prayer. So similarly, if you exercise your own mind, you could come out with some more suggestions as to why. But we cannot pinpoint this was the reason, because we don't know, Allah didn't tell us. But by exercising one's mind, one can come out with suggestions. Enough? Have you respected? Yes, please. Today is the day of young boys.